looks like they were able to get that in before the rain moved in, but now it's been a very wet night.
And if you're looking toward the western part of Ohio, you'll see more is coming. Here's Don with details and all of that.
That is exactly right. The cold front is chugging along at a pretty good clip. Still won't be here till after midnight, maybe closer to 1 o'clock. But when it does, more thunder and lightning. The wind will pick up, and pretty gusty winds, maybe 35 to 45 mile an hour gusts. Not only for the rest of tonight, because a lot of the heavier winds are behind the cold front. It'll stay windy as we head into tomorrow and even tomorrow night. This is what it looks like on radar right now, and that severe thunderstorm watch box in effect over there as well. But some good news. Watch these thunderstorms right here in the top of that watch box up toward Toledo. See how they weaken very, very quickly? If that trend continues, and there's a pretty good chance that it will, then we may get away with just some rain and maybe some general run-of-the-mill thunder, and that's exactly what we want to look at. Concerning the Mahoning River, first up at Leavittsburg, starting Friday afternoon, when the river reaches 11.7 feet. That's flood stage is 10 feet, so that flooding up there continues or starts by Friday afternoon. And the Mahoning River at Youngstown starts later tonight, 14.5 feet by Friday morning, flood stage there also at 10 feet. And this is what future radar looks like, has a good handle on what's going on out there right now. And with that bright yellow coloring, as I mentioned a little bit ago, that could be where the front comes through with the even heavier but brief rainfall. And by the time you get to 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, front may be through that time, but there's still a chance of some leftover showers. Things begin to clear out, especially to our west and maybe over top of us as well, right around 9 tomorrow. And look at these temperatures, much warmer than they were at 6 o'clock, 52 at the airport, 48 up around Cortland, Lake Milton at 52 degrees, 48 close to Youngstown, and down through Columbiana County, even a few degrees warmer, Guilford Lake and the Lisbon area, both at 53 degrees, and down around the northern panhandle of West Virginia, down there toward the racetrack, 56 degrees. Still in the 50s all the way across northern Ohio. You can see where that cold air is, the difference between Toledo and Detroit, 38 up there, 52 yet in Toledo. Our high for the day will be pretty close to what it is right after midnight, and that will be in the upper 40s. So far today, 52 and 19 officially up at the airport. That 52, not only the high temp for the day, but it also is the current reading up there. Dew point of 45 sets the humidity at 76%. The winds are out of the south at 14, and they'll be gusting much higher than that, especially behind the cold front. Right around 3/10 of an inch at the airport and here at the station as well. So showers and thunderstorms overnight. Watch for some fog, pretty dense in some areas as that warmer air rides over top of the cold snow. That's a perfect ingredient for some pretty dense fog. The wind will blow that away eventually when it starts to pick up later. Some leftover showers in the morning, then the clouds begin to see some breaks. Still windy though, and 47 for tomorrow's high. Partly cloudy, still windy tomorrow night, maybe not quite as much, 30 by daybreak on Saturday with a chance for some showers, mid-40s, so we still stay at least a few degrees warmer than normal on Saturday. Cool off begins on Sunday with a chance of some snow in the afternoon. Doesn't look like a major episode. Monday looks dry, only the mid-20s, low 20s. Tuesday, Wednesday, possibility of some snow. And by Thursday of next week, look at that, maybe some early morning lows in the single digits and highs only in the teens.